Lynx modern cable railing systems bring together clean design and durable construction for today's outdoor living spaces. Built as a modular system, each component is designed to fit together with precision. Kits include posts, cable assemblies, fittings, and handrail sections, everything needed for installation. Begin by laying out the post locations along your deck surface. Position each post approximately 3 inches in from the edge of the deck for proper alignment and support. Use a chalk line or straight edge to establish alignment. Posts should be spaced evenly, typically no more than 48 inches apart. Secure each post to the mounting surface using fasteners appropriate for your deck material. As you install, check that each post is plumb and properly aligned before tightening fully. Once the posts are secured, slide the base covers down over each post to conceal the mounting hardware and create a clean finished appearance. Next, attach the post top fittings. Align each fitting based on your railing direction and secure them firmly to the post before proceeding. Measure the distance between end posts to prepare the handrail. Cut the handrail sections as needed. Install the handrail onto the post fittings and secure it in place. Then connect them using the provided connectors. Finish by installing the end caps. Now prepare the cable assemblies. Measure entire spans, end post to end post, and subtract for corners and cable fittings. Measure the distance between posts and mark the cable approximately 1.5 inches shorter than the span and cut. Please refer to your installation instructions for cable cutting lengths, as straight runs and corner posts may require different cable lengths. Feed the cable through the pre-drilled holes in each post, working from the first post to the last. Start running your cables through one of the end posts and feed to the corner post holes. Then attach the cable fittings to each end using a crimping tool, ensuring a tight and secure connection. Loosely tighten each cable assembly. Then fully tighten each cable assembly, starting with the center cable and working up and down the post, one cable at a time. As you tighten each cable run, you'll create sophisticated, clean-looking corner solutions. After final adjustments, confirm that all components are secure, aligned, and evenly tensioned. The result is a strong, low-profile railing system that delivers modern style and long-lasting performance. Designed for simplicity and built for everyday spaces.